Hi, this is Jennifer Kronk, and this is another very quick tutorial on using this awesome tool, the Read-Write toolbar for Google Chrome. So when I'm in Google Documents, we have a little puzzle piece that hangs out right around here, and I can turn on my toolbar this way. We've already done a screencast on that. Now we're going to talk about how we can use this in a regular website. So I turn it on by going up to the puzzle piece up here and double clicking. And now you'll see that I have a host of tools that are very similar to what I've already been using. So here we have prediction, which is the same as it was in the other screencast, where prediction will actually allow you to select words or start typing words, and it'll give you a predictive list of what it thinks you're going to say next. And hover text, if I highlight an area to be spoken to me, I can highlight it, click on hover text, and hover text will eventually click in and it'll read the text to me.
Little Albie was taking his time.
Now, the next thing we have is dictionary. So for example, if I select turtle because I don't know what a turtle is, and I click on dictionary, this is fabulous. I get this great definition. But if I'm an English language learner or I'm just beginning my language acquisition, that's not going to help me that much. But what might help me is the picture dictionary. So I select turtle, go to picture dictionary, and it will give me the word and pictures to show me what the turtle is. Next, just like we've had before, we have our play button. So the play button.
His brothers and sisters had hatched last Friday.
So the play button reads the whole text to me. Screenshot reader, again, we just select an area and that will be read to us, just like it was in the document. Moving on, this is Fact Finder. There we go, select Queensland, go to Fact Finder, and Fact Finder automatically opens up a Google search for me. Next, we have speech input. So if I click on speech input and I allow speech input to use my microphone, you'll see that right now it's beginning to record my text or record my voice and convert it into text. From here, we have Translator. So Translator only works by the word. So if I want to select distinctive, select translate. Right now, Translator for my toolbar is set to Spanish. And then we have our highlights. I love the highlights, just like we had in the document. You can see that I highlighted these 4 words, so maybe I'm not quite sure what they are, or they're vocabulary words. I can click on Collect Highlights and press OK. And it gives me a document that has all my highlights together. And it also gives me a link that goes back to the original article. So you can think about using the highlights for different types of details. And the next thing I love is the vocabulary list. So if I click on vocabulary list, it will collect all my highlights, put it in a vocabulary list with definitions and symbols. And then I also have a notes section as well. One thing I like to do with notes is have students write a sentence using the vocabulary word. The last button that I like to point out is the Simplify button. So if I click on this button, it will actually take that article and simplify it. Get rid of some of the extra details and just give me some of the nuts and bolts of it. And you can see that I can use my plus and minus sign to get rid of some details or add some details, depending on the comfort level of the student. So this is the Read-Write toolbar for Google Chrome. This is how it works in a website. It's an awesome tool. And please don't forget that I'm here to be of service. If you want me to meet with you and do some training on this, I'm more than happy to.